We all have them, don't we? Those little secrets, tucked away in the back of our minds, whispers of what could be, or what once was. But today, my dear friends, we're going to unearth a different kind of secret. A secret that, if left undiscovered, might be quietly adding years to your beautiful story. Years that don't belong there. You see, style isn't just about clothes. It's about the narrative we choose to tell the world about ourselves. And sometimes, without even realizing it, we fall into traps, subtle missteps that dim our natural radiance, making us appear older than our vibrant spirits truly are. Have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself, perhaps in a store window, and felt a tiny jolt of disconnect? A feeling that the reflection didn't quite capture the spirited woman you know yourself to be? That tiny whisper, that almost imperceptible nudge, is often our inner stylist trying to tell us something vital. It's a call to reevaluate, to embrace the power of intentional choices. So, if you're ready to unlock these hidden truths, to peel back the layers of misconception, and reveal the younger, more vibrant youth is just waiting to shine through, then stay with me. This journey of discovery begins now. And while we embark on this illuminating path, remember to gently tap that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any of the elegant transformations we share here on Elderly Reflections, would you? Because true style, like a fine wine, only gets better with age. The first secret we must confront, the very cornerstone of our style revelation, lies in the shadows of what we often perceive as safe. We're talking about error number 1, the tyranny of the shapeless garment. Oh, how insidious it can be. We reach for those oversized sweaters, those flowing tunics, those voluminous dresses, all in the name of comfort, or perhaps a desire to conceal. But what are we truly concealing? Often, it's not just a perceived flaw, but our very essence, our beautiful feminine form. A shapeless garment, my dears, does not hide, it obscures. It adds visual weight, creates an undefined silhouette, and ultimately, does a disservice to the elegant lines of your body. Imagine a beautiful painting, draped in a heavy, formless cloth. Would you truly appreciate its artistry? No. The same applies to you. Instead of hiding, we must learn to celebrate. The correction. Embrace structure, even in comfort. A well-tailored blazer, for instance, can instantly elevate a simple tee and trousers, defining the shoulders and creating a long, lean line. Look for pieces with subtle waist, definition, a wrap dress, a top with a gentle peplum, or even a simple belt cinched at your natural waist. The goal isn't to squeeze into something uncomfortable, but to guide the eye, to create an intentional shape that flatters a softly structured knit top that skims your torso, rather than drapes aimlessly, can make all the difference. Remember, the fabric should caress, not engulf. It's about balance, about harmony. And this leads us to our second profound revelation, error number 2, the monochrome monotony. Now, don't misunderstand me. A chic monochromatic look can be absolutely stunning. But there's a fine line between sophisticated simplicity and simply dullness. When we default to head-to-toe black, or an unbroken expanse of beige, or even a single, muted tone, we risk flattening our appearance. It can drain the life from our complexion, especially as our skin tones naturally soften with age. The lack of contrast, the absence of visual interest, can make us disappear into our clothes rather than stand out with grace. It can create an illusion of sameness, of a lack of vitality. The secret to breaking free from the subtle, age-dark strategic pops of color and texture. Think of your outfit as a canvas, and you, the artist. Instead of a single, flat wash, introduce an accent. A vibrant scarf, a beautiful statement necklace, a handbag in an unexpected hue, or even a pair of shoes that offer a delightful contrast. These small, deliberate choices inject personality and energy. And don't shy away from texture. A cashmere sweater, paired with a silk skirt or a tweed jacket over a soft knit, adds depth and richness without overwhelming. These tactile elements catch the light differently, creating interest and dimension, preventing that flat, one-dimensional look that can subtly age us. It's about creating a visual conversation, not a monologue. Now, for a particularly tricky one, a silent saboteur that lurks in many wardrobes. Error number 3. the obsession with age-appropriate frumpiness. This is perhaps the most insidious trap of all, born from well-meaning but ultimately misguided notions. We're told, often implicitly, that as we mature, we should retreat from fashion, that certain styles are simply not for us anymore. This often manifests as a wardrobe filled with shapeless, dull, and utterly uninspiring garments, clothes chosen, not because they make us feel good, but because they are deemed safe or sensible. The result? Lose our spark, our individuality, and paradoxically end up looking older and less vibrant than we actually are. True elegance, my dear friends, is about confidence and authenticity, not adherence to arbitrary rules. The correction lies in a radical shift in mindset. Embrace modern elegance. This doesn't mean chasing fleeting trends or trying to dress like a 20-year-old. Far from it. It means understanding current silhouettes, incorporating contemporary fabrics, and choosing pieces that are both flattering and fashionable. Think about a classic trench coat. Timeless, yes, but a modern cut with refined details keeps it fresh. Consider well-fitting dark-wash jeans, paired with a sophisticated blouse and loafers, comfortable, chic, and utterly ageless. It's about adapting current styles to suit your body and your personality rather than abandoning style altogether. Dare to wear something that makes you feel joyful, confident, and utterly you. Your spirit, after all, has no age limit. And speaking of things that subtly betray our age, let's talk about error number 4. The neglect of undergarments. The hidden foundation. This is a secret many women overlook, assuming that what lies beneath doesn't truly impact what's on top. But I assure you, it makes all the difference. Ill-fitting brass, stretched-out shapewear, or even the complete absence of proper support can undermine even the most beautiful outfit. A bra that doesn't lift and support properly can create a saggy silhouette, making your torso appear shorter and wider. It can cause blouses to gape, jackets to pull awkwardly, and dresses to lose their intended shape. Similarly, neglecting foundational pieces can lead to visible lines, bulges, and an overall less polished appearance. The correction? Best in proper undergarments. This is not an indulgence. It is an essential investment in your overall presentation. Get professionally fitted for brass regularly. Your body changes, and so should your bra size. Choose smooth, supportive shapewear that gently sculpts without constricting. A good foundation creates a smooth canvas, allowing your clothes to drape beautifully, enhancing your natural curves and providing a subtle lift that instantly makes you look more put together and, dare I say, younger. It's the invisible magic that makes everything else work. Our journey continues into the realm of color and pattern, revealing error number 5. The fear of boldness. Many women as they mature tend to gravitate towards muted, safe colors and shy away from patterns. The reasoning often stems from a desire to blend in, or a belief that bright colors and busy prints are somehow youthful and therefore inappropriate. However, this approach can inadvertently make us appear less vibrant, less energetic. Muted tones, while elegant, can sometimes wash out the complexion, especially if not balanced with flattering accessories. And the complete absence of pattern can lead to a visual flatness, a lack of personality. The correction? Embrace color and pattern. Strategically, think of jewel tones: emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red. These hues are incredibly flattering and sophisticated, adding a richness that brightens the face. Don't be afraid of a beautiful floral print on a scarf, a geometric pattern on a blouse, or even a subtle animal print on an accessory. The key is balance and scale. If you're wearing a bold pattern, pair it with solid complementary pieces. If you're introducing a vibrant color, ensure it's placed near your face to reflect light and enhance your complexion. A splash of unexpected color or a sophisticated pattern can be incredibly uplifting, conveying confidence and a youthful spirit without being overtly trendy. It's about adding interest, joy, and a touch of daring to your ensemble. Now, let's turn our attention to the details, those often overlooked elements that whisper volumes about our style. This brings us to error number 6, the neglect of accessories. So often, we get dressed, feel done, and then completely forget the power of the finishing touches. A beautiful outfit, left unadorned, can feel incomplete, a missed opportunity. And conversely, the wrong accessories, or none at all, can leave us looking unfinished, perhaps even a little dated. We might cling to old, tarnished jewelry or wear the same simple chain every day, failing to see the transformative potential of these small additions. The correction? See accessories as your allies, your secret weapons. They are the punctuation marks of your outfit. A statement necklace can draw the eye upwards, away from areas you might wish to de-emphasize. A pair of elegant earrings can frame your face beautifully, adding sparkle and light. A stylish belt can define your waist and add polish. A well-chosen scarf can add color, texture, and a touch of Parisian chic. And shoes and handbags. They are not merely functional. They are integral parts of your overall look. Invest in a few versatile, good-quality pieces that elevate your outfits. Think about how a structured handbag instantly adds sophistication, or how a comfortable yet stylish pair of flats can make a casual ensemble look intentionally chic. These thoughtful additions demonstrate attention to detail, a refinement that speaks volumes about your personal style, making you appear more polished, more current, and ultimately, more vibrant. And finally, we arrive at our seventh and perhaps most critical revelation. A subtle yet powerful misstep that can subtly add years without you even realizing it. Error number 7. The blind adherence to outdated hair and makeup. This isn't about chasing youth, but about embracing the best version of yourself, right now. As we mature, our hair texture changes, our skin tone evolves, and what once worked beautifully might now be subtly working against us. Think about heavy, matte foundations that settle into fine lines, or harsh, dark eyeliners that can make eyes appear smaller and more fatigued. Consider hairstyles that are overly stiff, or those that haven't been updated in decades, clinging to a past version of ourselves. These choices, while perhaps comforting in their familiarity, can inadvertently highlight features we'd rather soften, and create an overall impression of being stuck in time. The correction? Embrace an updated, softer approach to hair and makeup. For hair, consider a modern cut that flatters your face shape and hair texture. Softer layers, a flattering fringe, or a slightly lighter, warmer hair color can be incredibly rejuvenating. For makeup, think luminosity, not heaviness. Opt for lighter foundations or tinted moisturizers that allow your natural skin to show through. Use soft diffused eyeshadows and a touch of mascara to open up the eyes. A pop of color on the lips, perhaps a flattering berry or soft rose, can instantly brighten your entire face. It's about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. It's about choosing products and styles that complement your current features, reflecting the vibrant, confident woman you are today. Remember, elegance evolves, and so should our beauty routines. So there you have them, my dear friends, the 7 subtle style secrets that, when left unaddressed, can quietly add years to your appearance. From the tyranny of shapeless garments to the neglect of proper undergarments, from monochrome monotony to the fear of boldness, and from ignored accessories to outdated hair and makeup, each of these elements holds the power to either dim or amplify your natural radiance. But now, you are armed with knowledge. You possess the key to unlocking a more vibrant, more confident, and ultimately, a more authentic you. This isn't about erasing your history or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about celebrating every beautiful year you've lived, while ensuring your outward presentation truly reflects the magnificent, spirited woman you are on the inside. It's about dressing with intention, with joy, and with a deep understanding of what truly flatters you. Take these insights, experiment, play, and discover what makes you feel truly beautiful. Because style, at its heart, is a deeply personal journey of self-expression. I hope this journey of discovery has been as illuminating for you as it has been for me to share. Remember, true style has no expiration date, and elegance only deepens with wisdom. You are magnificent, and it's time your wardrobe reflected that truth. If you found these secrets inspiring, if they sparked a little fire of transformation within you, then please, share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these errors resonated most with you? What's one small change you're excited to make today? Your insights and experiences enrich our entire community, And if you haven't already joined our growing family of elegant women, now is the perfect moment. Subscribe to Elderly Reflections for more secrets, more inspiration, and more ways to celebrate your unique, beautiful self. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to refine your style. Together, let's continue to redefine what it means to be stylish, confident, and utterly magnificent at every age. Until next time, stay elegant, stay authentic, and keep shining brightly.